My name is Gino Petiti. I'm the CEO and founder of IHostXtremes and Choose My Site. And together we are your 100% peace of mind web hosting and web design provider. We also do offsite data backup through our MyDisk Backup offering, where we would automatically back up any of your computers or important data for you and bring it to our 100% uptime clouds. And as part of our 100% uptime initiatives, with our 100% uptime guarantees, you're going to see us go more and more, even pushing even more into the virtualization world and high availability computing. We're going to diversify our offering in our cloud computing. Enterprise VMware will be a portion of it, but we're also going into now the Citrix Xen platform, which allows us to offer in a more affordable fashion many of the same benefits that we found in VMware. We're also going to be expanding into even more multi-data center deployments for our cloud, so you can have your application running safely from, say, Jersey City, New Jersey, and then also spawn in San Jose, California in tandem or working together, or as a failover. We will also be going more to complement our offsite data backup solutions for folks. We'll be working with disaster recovery solutions, a hot failover of your office environment into our data centers and into our cloud to keep you running should the absolute worst happen at your office. Our target market as a 100% uptime hosting provider is actually the other providers out there. Streaming video companies, we can help them stream their video worldwide. Marketing firms, webmasters, we can provide a very solid home for their online initiatives, the websites that they develop, for example. Or if they get to a point where that small to medium business is outgrowing its infrastructure, or maybe they want to establish a new business, we can work with them and give them the proper information to avoid a lot of the pitfalls that are typical in those stages of either starting a new business or growing your business. From an IT perspective, and more importantly from the hosting and cloud perspective, we can make sure that what we're rolling out on our end will support their initiatives, not just today, but as they grow in the future and on demand, and do so in an affordable method that allows them to stay in the black and more so actually flourish. So our target audiences, again, are primarily small to medium-sized businesses, the creative companies out there, the marketing firms out there, the videographers out there, other webmasters, and because of our strength and security as well, anyone that has to worry about IT, what they call governance or compliancy requirements like hospitals, banks, the small physician's office, for example, dentists, and anyone that's worried about making sure they have rules to comply to, and especially merchants with e-commerce and our PCI. Our payment card industry standard compliance initiatives. How IHostXtremes and Choose My Site get involved in the community here in Columbus has been as a strong supporter of establishing networking in Columbus. Even before networking was, the face-to-face networking was very popular. 10, 11, 12 years ago in Columbus, networking was connecting computers together. I was brought into Big Fish Networking probably a year in as one of the founding members of establishing Big Fish Networking, whose main focus was to provide a safe, fun environment for people to meet, get to know one another, network, get leads, look for jobs, etc., whatever resource they had, because there wasn't a whole lot of networking going on. So we actually also supported other networking groups in networking each other. So in that same passion, beyond Big Fish, today IHostXtremes is involved in many networking groups of diverse niche audiences. Network Columbus, Hispanic Chamber of Columbus, Get just recently, and more. So each of the networking groups that we get involved in and work with, they also have a charitable objective. So in a way, we're again helping the provider improve themselves to bring a better product to market. So if you're a marketing company, a webmaster, videographer, or you're a merchant starting a new online store, you're looking for a strong partner that will be there with you, that will help you grow and advise you all along the way, and can not only help you today, but can help you through tomorrow, reach out to IHostXtremes. We are your 100% peace of mind web hosting provider.